Hello, my name is Melissa Blanford. I'm a registered dietitian and I work as the Director of Medical Affairs for tube feeding at Nutrition North America. Today, I'm going to show you how to administer real food blends using a feeding pump. Before we get started, it is important to refer to pump manufacturer guidelines for commercial blenderized tube feeding usage in a feeding pump. The most recent published literature indicates that a blenderized tube feeding is commonly recommended as a bolus feeding. However, we recognize that some patients need to use a feeding pump. Keep in mind that the high viscosity of a true blenderized enteral diet may help improve common GI intolerance symptoms. So let's begin. Our meals are indicated for use with a 14 French or larger feeding tube. Knead the real food blends meal or snack prior to pump administration. Add the amount of real food blends and fluid needed to the feeding bag as indicated by your clinician. Meal consistency may vary and may impact pump performance and accuracy. Therefore, additional fluid may need to be added. Your clinician may recommend 2 to 6 ounces of fluid for dilution to achieve the desired flow rate. The product variety of real food blends can impact the flow rate. The beef and quinoa meals have the highest consistency, therefore may need additional fluid as compared to our thinner meals, like the chicken and turkey. Here, today we will use the egg blend and add 2 ounces of fluid. After you add real food blends and additional fluid to the feeding bag, knead the bag to evenly distribute the contents and gently remove any excess air. You should then hang the feeding bag higher than the height of the pump. I hope this video demonstrates how to use real food blends with a feeding pump using pump manufacturer guidelines. If you use a syringe or bully bag, be sure to watch our additional videos.